Good afternoon, guys. Dylan here, Mad Vapes here in Statesville. I'm here today to give you a little review on the new Vandy Vape kit we just picked up. Yes, it is the Pulse Squonk kit. This has got a really nice design. I like the fact that the plates are see-through. You've got your squonker. It comes with a four-post, well, not a four-post, I'm sorry, a postless rebuildable deck. Obviously, it comes with the squonk pin. But these guys are really nice. You're able to pop the back panel off and the other panel. Just easy access to get to your battery, be able to pop it out. Now the cool thing about this box is the fact that you can run an 18650 with the sleeve, or you can take it out and run you a 2700. You can have your battery life for days. This box actually has a mechanical shut-off switch. Right now, it's making connection to where your fire button will make contact, or you can twist this thing around to where it's not connecting to the switch. And you can put it in your pocket, put it in your purse, a lot of really cool things. It's not going to fire. A lot of people worry about having mechanical mods and having them blow up on them. This guy is really nice. You guys should come down and check them out. We've got them in a bunch of different colors. We even got you an extra drip tip in here, and replacement O-rings, three-prong screwdrivers. Got your flathead, your Phillips, and Allen wrench, and extra squonk pin, extra magnets. But these guys are really nice. I will own one of these. You guys should come down and check them out. We're here all day until 8 o'clock. And thanks for watching our YouTube. Hope to see you guys out.